Hello, my name is Jessica Craven. I'm a master gardener and I have my certification in permaculture design. Today we're going to talk about planting or transplanting tall tomatoes. Sometimes when you go to the nursery, instead of getting shorter tomatoes, you'll be getting kind of larger tomatoes that maybe 3 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, maybe even a foot high. And you're going to kind of wonder, what's the best way for me to transplant these tomatoes? Or perhaps you've grown them from seed. You started them inside and the winter stayed a little bit colder, longer than you thought into spring, and your tomatoes, they're in the plants and they're a lot taller than you were thinking that you'd like to ideally transplant them. So what you want to do is to actually bury them in the soil a bit deeper. So about 2 to 3 inches, sometimes even 4 and 5 inches of the stalk. You want to lay the tomato on its side if it's extra tall. And so you instead of planting it upright, you plant it and slightly bend the tomato stalk. Say for example right here. You do a slight bend of it and plant the stalk underneath the ground. And so it'll start to grow upright. What will happen is, in addition to the roots that the regular plant has, the part of the stalk that you've now planted underground, as you keep it nice and moist, it will also be developing roots. So you'll have a very extensive root system as it starts to grow upright. One thing that I would suggest is right at the very beginning, go ahead and get your tomato cage and plant it, put it around it so that your tomatoes have support as it grows upright. You'll see this here almost looks like a trellis little teepee situation. You can do something like that. Some folks like to just have stakes and use strings and allow their tomatoes to grow up the strings. The same tip for planting the stalk underneath the soil. You can use this for peppers also. If you happen to have either peppers or eggplant that are taller than you think, well gosh, this little root system is going to be difficult for it to support it. You can also use this trick for those plants too. So I hope I've shared some information that will help you in your planting of extra tall tomatoes.